This is a video tutorial on how to handle returns when dropshipping on eBay. The first step is to make sure you have the right settings on eBay to process returns. Go to your account settings and then selling preferences. Then click on Edit Return Preferences. Ignore all of this and just make sure this box is checked. RMA stands for Return Merchandise Authorization, and checking this box will allow you to upload a return shipping label for the buyer. If you are offering free returns and you do not check this box, eBay will provide the buyer with a return label and charge you for the label once the buyer uses it. The return label that eBay provides has your personal address on the label, so buyers will send the item back to you instead of the supplier that you're using. Obviously, you don't want this to happen, so check the box. When you get a return request on eBay, you will need to send the buyer a return shipping label. You can do this by uploading your own label that you received from the supplier. To get a return label from the supplier, go to the website of your supplier and request a return for the item. In this case, Amazon is our supplier, so we are going to request a return on Amazon. Click on Return or Replace Items. Check the box of the item you're returning and select a reason for the return. You will need to select the right option because not every option will give you a free return label. These are the options that will give you a free return label: inaccurate website description, item defective or doesn't work, product damaged but shipping box okay, item arrived too late, missing or broken parts, product and shipping box both damaged, wrong item was sent, and didn't approve purchase. Next, select how you want your refund. Either refund to your Amazon account balance or refund to your credit card. Then, change the address to the address of the buyer. Always select UPS drop-off point and confirm your return. Click on Print Label and Instructions, and then save the label as a PDF. Come back to this page. Upload your return label. Select a shipping carrier, which is always going to be UPS, and then type in the correct UPS tracking number. Click Continue, and then you're done. Once the item has been returned to Amazon, Amazon will refund you, and then you can refund the buyer. And that's how you handle returns when dropshipping on eBay. If you found this content useful and would like to get started with dropshipping, please consider using my referral links below. Thank you.